In this video, we'll cover how to make your PDFs accessible using Adobe Acrobat Pro. We'll follow 4 essential steps: making text readable, tagging the document using the reading order panel, adding alt text to images, and updating the document's metadata. We'll spend a little extra time on tables because they're one of the easiest places for accessibility to break down. First, we'll need to confirm the PDF contains readable text. Some PDFs look like text but are really just images. Screen readers can't read images of text unless they've been processed correctly. To check this, try selecting some text with your cursor. If you can highlight individual words and copy them, the text is likely readable. If you can't, screen readers won't be able to read it. This is often the case with scanned PDFs. Running OCR converts images of text into real searchable text. In Acrobat Pro, use Scan and OCR. Recognize text in this file. Once OCR is complete, do a quick review for accuracy. Watch for misspelled words, incorrect characters, or missing content, especially in headings, columns, and tables. You can review low-confidence words or characters by selecting Correct Recognized Text under Scan and OCR, or you can edit text directly by selecting Edit a PDF in the Tools pane. Next is tagging. Tags tell assistive technology what each element is: headings, paragraphs, lists, images, and tables, and provide the structure that allows screen reader users to navigate the PDF. Start by checking whether the PDF already has tags. As you review the tag structure, make sure the reading order matches how the content should be read logically, from top to bottom and left to right. You can drag and drop tags to reorder them if necessary. If your PDF doesn't have tags, you'll need to add them before moving on. Open the Reading Order tool. To tag content, drag a selection box around an element, like a heading or a paragraph, then choose the correct structure type in the Reading Order panel. As you tag elements this way, confirm your work in the Tags pane. Tables can be especially confusing for screen reader users if they aren't tagged correctly. A properly tagged table allows a screen reader to announce relationships between headers and data cells, something that visual users take for granted. Using the Reading Order panel, drag a box around the table area. Then, tag it as a table so it's not treated like a block of paragraphs. Next, verify the table's structure in the Tags panel. In a correctly structured table, you'll typically see the table broken into TR for rows, TH for header cells, and TD for data cells. Generally, the first row of a table should contain header cells for each column. Header cells provide context as a screen reader moves through data cells. If headers are missing or tagged as regular data cells, a table can become a confusing stream of values. If the table is complex, for instance, it has multiple header rows or merged cells, use Reading Order to get the table identified and grouped. Then refine the structure in the Tags panel where advanced edits are handled. Next, review your images and add alt text for those that convey meaning. In Acrobat, the Reading Order tool can help you select figures, and you can add alt text so screen readers get the same information. If an image doesn't convey information, or if it is adequately described in the document text, mark it as decorative so it doesn't clutter the reading experience. Finally, check the metadata. In Document Properties, confirm the title is meaningful and that other key information is accurate. This helps users identify the document and supports accessible reading experiences. Before you finish, do one last review. First, check Reading Order in the Order pane by selecting and using the down arrow. Next, confirm the tag structure is logical the same way. Then finally, run the Accessibility checker. By ensuring text is readable and properly ordered, applying accurate tags, adding meaningful alt text, and checking metadata, you create documents that are more usable, inclusive, and accessible for everyone. For additional resources, check out accessibility.uncg.edu.